Hello and welcome back, dear teachers. Well, we have been talking about so many different ways of making our classes better. चाहे वो रियल क्लासरूम हो या वर्चुअल, यानी फेस टू फेस हो या ऑनलाइन क्लास, लेकिन बेटर का पता लगाने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ता है? जी हाँ, असेसमेंट, इवैल्यूएशन. The difference between a teacher and an excellent teacher lies in their preparedness. Prepared for adversities, for difficult situations, for changes, for advanced technology. One thing that recent times have taught us are that ऐसे भी वक्त आ सकते हैं जब all teaching is online and digital. Then our assessment also must be done online. तो एक तो तरीका है कि हम टेक्नोलॉजी से डरते रहें एंड भागते रहें, एंड जब बिल्कुल मजबूरी हो जाए तब सीखें एंड इस वजह से बाकियों से पीछे रह जाएं. और दूसरा ऑप्शन है कि हम समय से आगे नहीं तो कम से कम साथ चलें. सो लेट्स लर्न हाउ टू यूज टेक्नोलॉजी so that it makes our work easier and not difficult. One most common way of doing an assessment is आपने क्वेश्चन टाइप करके या लिख के फोटो सेंड किया एंड बच्चों ने अपने नोटबुक्स में सॉल्व किया and then they click a picture of it and send it to you. Now you will do the tedious task of downloading each student's notebook picture, read it like a real paper, grade them and share feedback like you would do for any normal paper. जबकि आप जानते हैं कि स्टूडेंट्स के सर पे कोई नहीं बैठा था. मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स वुड बी चीटिंग. सो हाउ ऑथेंटिक इज दिस असेसमेंट? इज इट रियली वर्थ योर टाइम एंड एफर्ट? ऑफ कोर्स, teaching becomes meaningless to most unless there is some way of checking what they have learned. कभी-कभी management requirement या parents need for assessment. Even for us, we believe if we teach, we must assess. Trust me, if you want to be a worthwhile teacher and be in accordance to the norms of India's new education policy, then continuous small-stake flexible assessments is an important part of it. अब अगर मैं कहूँ कि इसको लिटरली करने के लिए मैं हर चैप्टर के बाद एक क्वेश्चन पेपर बनाऊं, उसके फोटो कॉपीज कराऊं, एक पीरियड निकाल के क्लास में वो टेस्ट कराऊं एंड देन हर स्टूडेंट का पेपर करेक्ट करूं एंड उनको फीडबैक दूं, तो ये प्रोसेस अपने आप में बहुत ही ज्यादा डीमोटिवेटिंग है एंड साथ ही साथ टाइम कंज्यूमिंग भी है. इनफैक्ट इतना टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है कि मुझे लगेगा कि प्रैक्टिकल ही नहीं है. However, if instead of this I create an online test of 10 to 12 small objective type questions of a chapter, share it with my students do it at home, I also shuffle the questions and give limited time so that cheating का भी कम से कम scope हो, and then use technology to do the magic for me, because these questions were objective, so the system checks them for me and just tell me the report. This report also automatically goes to the students. तो एक तरीके से बेसिक करेक्शंस भी चली गई एंड डिटेल फीडबैक जब मैं चाहूं तब दे सकती हूं. How does it sound? I know, amazing. Even I was fascinated when I heard this for the very first time. But one question in my mind was, भाई मुझे इतनी टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं आती, मैं कैसे कर पाऊंगी? Trust me, it's very easy. Assessment has many purposes. Some of the main ones are stimulate student learning, assess student achievement, provide evidence of quality of teaching. Simple e-assessment से मैं इन सब purposes को fulfill कर सकती हूँ, वो भी too easily. So we are going to share some wonderful resources with you. They let you take all the advantages of technology in the easiest way possible and completely free of cost. These 5 are easy to learn and easy to execute. We are briefing about 5, but you can find many more online. लेकिन I believe आपको जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी क्योंकि ये 5 काफी comprehensive हैं. All of these have some wonderful features, like when you create a question paper, you can add different type of questions like multiple choice question, MCQ, true false, short answer, long answer, etc. You only have to check the short and long answers. All others are automatically checked. Like we said, using technology to its best. Monitoring and giving feedback becomes very easy. Instant result to students if the paper is all objective. Cheating is a major fear and it requires time. These solutions also tell you the time spent by each student in attempting the paper. You also have the option to change the serial order of questions. Let's have a look at 5 such platforms now. First, Google Forms. This is the best and most convenient. All you need to work on this is an email ID. That's it. Another major advantage is that you can add questions and use the same form जितनी बार भी आप चाहो. Second, Class Marker. We suggest this because it does not need any app and also has a large range of question answers including matching also. कहने की कोई बात ही नहीं है कि सिस्टम अपने आप मैचिंग को भी चेक करता है एंड स्कोर असाइन कर देता है. For MCQs, it also allows you to change the serial order of the options. All you have to do is register and create question paper. Share with your students and wait for them to submit. Third, Socrative. This can be used as an app on mobile or directly on web browser. It provides separate kind of login to teachers and students. No dependence on school. A teacher needs email ID to create account, but students don't need. When the teacher creates a test, it gives a room number to the teacher, which she has to share with her students. The students log in, enter their name and the room number and starts the test. The best part about this app is the real-time results it gives you. I mean, when one student completes one question, you can see that along with their answer. Fourth, TestMoz. This is a proper quiz generator that helps you evaluate super fast. क्या कहा आपने? क्यों? Because you don't even need to register here. Just go to testmoz.com and click on Build a Test. Then keep adding category to your questions. There is a paid version also which brings more benefits, but even for free you can have up to 50 questions in one test and maximum 100 students can take your test. Well, we don't even have more than 100 students for one test, right? Then it's a simple 4-step process. Add name to test, add questions, share with your students and see the result, which would be presented to you without you having to manually check them. Fifth, that quiz. This is also a wonderful and unique platform. All you have to do is create your account as a teacher and add your class and students. It has some pre-built tests for common topics which can simply be shared. If you want to create a test, click on Design under Other Tests and keep adding questions. Once complete, share it with your class so it will automatically go to all students you had created in that class. पढ़ाने को मजेदार बनाने के लिए उसमें टेक्नोलॉजी का तड़का लगाते हैं. बिना किसी मजबूरी के उस तरह से पढ़ाते सिखाते हैं जैसे हमारे बच्चे सीखना चाहते हैं, ताकि क्लासरूम एंड असेसमेंट बोथ आर एंगेजिंग, फुल ऑफ लर्निंग एंड यूजफुल. वी होप कि आपको ये असेसमेंट्स का वीडियो अच्छा लगा एंड आप अपनी एवरीडे क्लासेस को और ज्यादा इवेंटफुल बनाने के लिए इन्हें ज्यादा यूज करेंगे. सो ट्राई दिस प्लेटफॉर्म्स, सी विच वन सूट यू बेस्ट एंड गेट स्टार्टेड. ज्ञान बांटने से बढ़ता है. So also share this idea with your friends. Have a great class.